Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to see who saved your TikTok. So go for your TikTok account and select a video that you want to save. If I save this video, so the TikTok authority or TikTok account will not notify that person that you are saving that video, the person's video. But if you added this video to your favorites, that this will be notified that person. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.